Hello everyone, this is me Sundar Yatra. So I'm gonna ride all over India with 75 different riders from different places, and it's going to be for 75 days and 75 different iconic places we're gonna explore. And this is going to be a 21,000 kilometer ride, and we're gonna hit the all over India with this gem members, like gems. With these gems I'm gonna hit the all over India. So proud to be here, and I'm really glad to be here. And these are my teams, like where we started from Hyderabad. And this is our Mani sir, he's unpacking his baggage. And yeah, this is my favorite person, Nitin Bhai's bike. And yeah, and chalo, it's me here. Peace. Hello Mani sir. Yeah, so chalo, take care. I will update, keep